Chinese-built 27 kilometers Nairobi Expressway was officially launched by Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta on Sunday, coming after 3 months of public trial phase. The $648 million highway built under the public-private partnership model is expected to cut travel time from the south to the west of Nairobi to about 20 minutes from the 2 hours currently during peak time.
Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta on Sunday hailed Chinese-built roads for their transformation of the country's socio-economic sector at the launch of the Nairobi Expressway.
Our gratitude also goes to our partners, China Road Bridge Corporation, for choosing to invest and therefore demonstrating their confidence in our country, Kenya. Our city of Nairobi now acquires not just a new suspended highway, but one whose design is bold and distinctive, inking a new chapter in our infrastructural development as a country.
The Kenyan leader expressed optimism that the Nairobi Expressway and the Eastern Bypass Highway will significantly address the traffic gridlock in the capital city.
The Nairobi Expressway has been open for trials and it has already proved its worth. It has ushered in an era of reduced travel time and increased mobility, and an era of reduced congestion and enhanced productivity.
Kenyatta added that the expressway has also provided more opportunities for Kenya's tourism, conferencing, and hospitality sectors, which employ over 3 million people directly and another 6 million indirectly. Chinese ambassador to Kenya Zhou Pingjian said that the Nairobi Expressway is the first public-private partnership infrastructure project undertaken by a Chinese firm in Kenya. He said that the expressway has not only contributed to alleviating traffic congestion in Nairobi, but is also a new landmark for the friendship between the two countries.
On the occasion of the official commissioning of the Nairobi Expressway, a new landmark to friendship between our two countries and peoples, I wish to warmly congratulate President Kenyatta, the government and the people of Kenya on making steady, sustainable and significant progress in every undertaking for national development.